Hi everyone and welcome to Storytime with Kate. I'm Kate and I'm going to tell you about little trick that you can use to make your circle times, story times, yarning circle, or whatever you call the meeting when you sit down with children, discuss things, read books, make music, dance. This trick is about using props. So I already talked about a lot of different props, but this finger puppet is one of the best props that I've used. And it really changes how children participate, how they react to your songs, and it makes them much more involved. So for example, this one is from Nepal, but you can make your own finger puppets and give each child to hold while you sing a song. For example, Baba, black sheep, Baba, white sheep, or Mary had a little lamb, right? So try Mary had a little lamb.